Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fazil bin Razali. My matrix number is S46936 and my supervisor's name is Dr. Zarihan binti Abdul Halim. My research for final year project is about the impact of Brexit's uncertainty on trade between Britain and its major trading partners. First of all, I will explain about introduction. Trade is an act of buying and selling goods and services. Trade influenced by economics and political issues. EU is an economic and political union involving 28 European countries. Britain votes to leave the EU on June 23, 2016 with 16.8 million votes. Problem statement. Brexit will change the structure of the international trade. In most countries, trade represents a significant share of gross domestic product. The changes of value of the euro versus international money is an important factor affecting Britain's international trade. Political uncertainty has a profound effect on Britain in decision-making during at the time of Brexit. Conceptual framework. This analysis on how Brexit affects Britain's trade with their trading partners. Political uncertainty or Brexit uncertainty, inflation, exchange rate and interest rate as independent variable and Britain major trading partners trade as dependent variable. Next is descriptive analysis. We will focus on yearly exchange rate, EPU, exports, and import for selected countries from 2010 to 2018. Descriptive analysis of the variables. Impact of Brexit uncertainty was measured using EPU. This table shows the effect of Brexit uncertainty on 10 major trading partners trade with Britain. EPU shows the high value, which indicate a large spread of the data from the mean, while other variables show the small standard deviation, which means the number of standard deviation is slightly lower than the mean. Correlation metric. This table shows the result of correlation metric to show the correlation coefficient between different set of variables. The higher the number is, the stronger the relationship is. The dependent variable, EPU, demonstrates a strong negative correlation with export and weak negative correlation with imports, inflation, interest rate, and exchange rate. A low correlation coefficient, except for between export and imports, is found among explanatory variables, implying that there is no serious problem of multi-collinearity. ADF unit root test. The unit root test is conducted to analyze the data series stationary. Hence, the augmented Dickey-Fuller ADF tests are used to examine the order of stationary. It is important that variables to have the same order of integration so that we can determine the relationship between them. The results for unit root tests are presented in this table. From all variables at level base, only export and import are significant at 1% in ADF unit root test. The rest are insignificant and fail to reject null hypothesis of no unit root test. At first difference, the null hypothesis of no unit root test can be rejected as the p-value of all variables is significant at 1%. This evidence proves that all the series is stationary and integrate of order 1. Cross-sectional dependent test. By using cross-sectional dependent test, we can see if the countries depend on each other or not. This figure shows the very significant result, which means that these 10 trading countries depend on each other. Panel regression what cross-section. To see whether the selected country depends on each other or not, we can test it using this cross-sectional dependent test. We need to test the data to see which one of these three models is reliable according to Hausman test. The results show that random effect is reliable according to Hausman test. EPU is also negative and very significant at 1%. This result shows that all selected countries depend on each other when they trade. Summary of finding and implication. This event gives negative impacts on Britain's major trading partner in the world of commerce. Implication: government should apply the quick solution on their political issue for long term and convince other countries to trade with them. Research contribution: contribute a better understanding about the impact of political uncertainty on trade between trading countries. Provide more information to not only the policymakers but also to business community that are affected by the political uncertainty. Limitation: once enough series is available, future studies may test the long-run impact of Brexit deal on trading partners. That's all from me. Thank you.